Hello, today we're going to talk just a little bit about Saxon Math Course 2 Lesson 13. In this particular lesson, we're going to talk mostly about problems in equal groups. Now, this is a pretty short lesson. It's not going to take very long, so you'll be able to get this done and written down and be on your way in a short time. There is kind of an equal group formula that is standard-wise used by everybody in mathematics. And it looks like this. The number of equal sized groups, the number of groups times the number in each group will give you a total. Okay. Now, one way you can look at it is if you had 6 bags of M&Ms and each bag of M&Ms had 35 M&Ms in it, then you could take 6 times 35 and you would get the total number of M&Ms, absolute total. Now, as a formula, it looks like this. N means number of groups. This little dot right here, that means times. Okay. G means the number in each group, like for instance the 30 M&Ms in the package. And T means total. That means all the M&Ms in all the packages if you threw them in a bowl. Now, I've got another example here that's kind of nice. Okay, if you pack 30 marbles in a bag and then you fill up 32 bags, how many marbles did you pack? Well, how many bags do you have? Okay, you got 32 bags. How many marbles in each bag? There is 30. And so the formula looks like this. You've got the number of equal groups, which is of course the number of bags, the number in each group, which is the 30 marbles inside each bag, and then that multiplied together, these two factors, will give you a total number of marbles. So 32 times 30, that's bags times marbles per bags, is going to give you a multiplied answer of 960 marbles, if you do the multiplication right. So that's a pretty standard formula for that, and it doesn't take too much to figure that out. I don't think you're going to have any trouble with that at all. Now, looking at another example, which I kind of like, this one has a missing part to it, and on the other videos maybe I have not done too much with this missing part, but I think on this one you really need to write this down. The concert tickets were $17.50 each, so that's what you have to pay for one ticket. Now, they added up their total sales for the night, and they had $16,852.50. The question is, how many tickets did they sell? Now, in our formula that we had before, we had, back here, we had the number of equal groups times the number in each group, and we got a total. Well, we have the total, and we have, what do we have here? Do we have both of these things? Because we got the total for sure. We have the price of one ticket, but do we have the price, we have the number of people that bought a ticket? I don't think we do. So let's look at this again. We have N to be the number of tickets, and we're going to use our formula. So we have N to be the number of tickets, we have G to be the cost per ticket, and we have T to be the total sales. Now, at this point that means we have N, we don't know, okay, because we don't know how many tickets were sold. We do have the price per ticket, and we have the total sales right over here. So, right at this moment it looks like a multiplication problem. However, since we're missing N, and this is a multiplication problem, then we're going to do the opposite operation to solve it, which is division. So we will take 16,852 and 50 cents, and we're going to divide that by 1750. Now, my suggestion on this probably would be to use a calculator to do this problem, because there's a lot of decimals to keep track of, and you're dividing with really big numbers. And if you do that, and you make your division right here, you're going to get N to equal 963 tickets. That's how many people went. That's how many tickets were bought. And that answers our question. And I'll tell you what, that's all I want to talk about on Lesson 13. I hope you got some good notes, and I hope this isn't too hard for you when you get to do your homework. Have a great day.